Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well. So here I am with our new chapter from history. Okay, and this time I have selected the impact of British rule in India. Okay, so in this video I'm going to solve some of the most important multiple choice questions. Okay, from exam point of view, they're very important. Watch them, learn them and practice them. Okay, and the PDF will be available soon both on my WhatsApp as well as the Telegram group. You can join the group, okay, by clicking on the link which is provided in the description box. Okay, and if you find this video useful, kindly do like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let us start with our today's section. Yes, so this is our first question. Okay, the civil services in India was introduced by dash. Okay, so civil services today it is called as ICS. Okay, Indian Civil Services. Okay, which is conducted by UPSC. Correct. By writing these exams, people become IAS, IPS, IFS, and all. Okay, so it was started by whom? Who was that British officer? What is the answer? The answer is Lord Cornwallis. Okay, he also started police system in India, so it's very important. Remember his name, Lord Cornwallis. Okay, civil services in India was started by him. Next, moving to our second question. The college opened by Lord Cornwallis in Calcutta for the benefit of civil service aspirants was dash. What was the name of that college? Okay, so here are the four options: Fort William College, Calcutta University, okay, Bengal University, or Bangla University. So it was called as Fort William College. Okay, option number A is correct. Fort William College was started for the benefit of civil services aspirants. Moving to question number 3 now. The Mughal emperor who handed over Diwani rights to British was dash. Who was that Mughal emperor? Okay, it was the Diwani right was collection of land taxes. Okay, so it was handed over by Shah Alam. Okay, remember his name, Shah Alam. Our fourth question is, which among the following refers to a civil code introduced by Warren Hastings? Okay, civil code. The options are Janta Ki Adalat, Supreme Court, Diwani Adalat, or Fauzdari Adalat. So the correct answer is for civil code it was Diwani Adalat. Okay, am I right? Yes, civil court was called as Diwani Adalat and Fauzdari was criminal court. Okay, criminal court was called as Fauzdari Adalat. Okay, this is DE. Okay, DEWANI. Moving to our question number 5. Under the Cornwallis police system, the one who was accountable for theft and crimes at village level was dash. Okay, so this is very important. Village level, was it Kotwal, Chaukidar, Inspector, or SP? So what is the answer for this? For village level, it was, yes, Kotwal. What about Chaukidar? Try to answer this in comment section. Okay, Chaukidar was for which level? Okay, he was accountable for whether taluk, district. Okay, moving to our next question. Question number 6. Indian police system, okay, Indian Police Act was implemented in the year dash. So this is also very important. Options are 1905, 1781, 1861, or 1947. So the correct answer is option number C. Okay, it is 1861. Okay, moving to our next question. The highest post, okay, available for the for an Indian in the British military system was dash. What was the highest post available for Indians? So the answer is brigadier, subedar, tahsildar or chaukidar. It was subedar. Okay, this was the highest post available for Indians in the British military system. Next is question number 8. The military system was redesigned in 1857 based on dash. So the options are Simon Commission, Dual Government Policy, PL Commission or Police Commission. So it was redesigned, okay, based on Peel Commission. Okay, so this is the answer. Moving to our next question now. I hope you are enjoying the questions. So coming to question number 9 now. The post of Superintendent of Police, that is SP, was created by dash. So who created this? Once again, as I said, police system, Indian police system, civil services, all those systems were started by Lord Cornwallis. Okay, so remember his name. He only started this post, SP. Moving to question number 10. Lord Dalhousie established universities at Calcutta, Bombay and Madras as per the suggestion of dash. So this is also very important question. The suggestion as per the suggestion of Simon Commission, PL Commission, Charles Wood Commission or Grant Commission. So the answer is Charles Wood Commission. Remember this name, Charles Wood. Okay. Next is question number 11. All the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt. This statement was argued by dash. So there are four options: Lord Dalhousie, Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis or Lord Canning. So the correct answer for this question is Lord Cornwallis. Okay. Now question number 12. The report on education in 1835, which became the base of modern education in India, was submitted by dash. So who submitted this? It was Macaulay. His full name was T.B. Macaulay. Okay, he submitted the report which became the base for the modern education in India. Okay, now these two questions which I have given here, question number 13. The one who started Sanskrit college in Banaras was dash. Okay, so there are four options. Try to answer this in the comment section. Take it as a homework question. Okay. Another question is the Governor General who supported the expansion of British education in India. Okay, remember this, Governor General. Okay, who supported the expansion of British education in India was dash. So once again, four options are given. Try to answer this question in the comment section, both options as well as the answer. Don't write just option. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the question, you like the question. If you do so, kindly do like the video also, comment to give your views and don't forget to share. And to get the notifications or all the PDFs of my videos, you can join the Telegram as well as the WhatsApp group. Okay, the link is provided in the description box. And please subscribe the channel and press the best what is that, bell icon. Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, have a good time.